Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a company or a company contact at HubSpot. First things first, we have to connect to our HubSpot account. You can't do it out of the blue in their landing page. So once we are logged in our account, as you can see, this one is free. Just to show you how it's done, and I'm not really comfortable of sharing my personal HubSpot account, but I believe you get that. So let's go to the top left corner and click on contacts. The second option in this pop-up window is companies. As you can see, we have one company already set up, but I'm going to show you how it's done. All we have to do is either import it from the files or create company manually. Company domain name, let's go with tech tips. It's invalid domain, let's go .com for the stuff, for the lols. And let's go with one, so I don't want to get copy striked or anything. Then company owner, it's not the owner of the company itself, but owner of the contact. Industry, let's go with building materials. Type, let's go with prospect. City, San Antonio, Texas. Postal code, we can leave it right there. But if it's different country, different postal code, different city, obviously you can change it. Annual revenue 1 million. Let's leave it like that. Time zone, America, Chicago. Description, you can also go with GMT, but it's not GMT. And all you have to do is create company. As you can see here, in this company, we can have a note, email, call, tasks, and meetings, contacts. You can search in contacts or associate a new contact. That will also create a new one in contact lists. But if you want to associate existing, you can add them to this one. Anytime you can change the companies. Let's go with no owner. Straight away you can confirm it and confirm the changes. You can add a note. It's very easy. Email. You can show all emails, all threads, or create email straight away. And can go, for example, to Alex Blue, that it's already in our contact list. And straight down, it's powered by HubSpot. Very nice thing. And you can start writing, which is pretty easy. And that's how you actually create your company. When we go to companies, you see it's here. Owner of the contact, you can go with me. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any more questions, please leave them underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.